Hello. We're going. Just came back from Vermont. I'm all smoky because I was by the fire all day. Just took a shower. I feel great. I just took a little test by here, and I got stopped out, and now it's going up though, of course. This, you'll notice this is a range, so this could become our execution. I just saw some advice online because of, we're seeing, it just makes it a little easier to than the time chart to see on a given price level the activity that's happening. And just looking for these big orders, stacked imbalances. This area specifically looks pretty good though, honestly. There's no volume in here though. What does that mean? But if people just take profit right away? We are in a big downtrend pre-market though. Anyways, we're using a range to try. I think it's pretty limited because you can only go out to 8. I would like, especially on NASDAQ, to use more. So 78.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Wowie. Okay. So that can happen. This is on 1x speed. That can happen that fast because it prints on volume basically. And wow, just went up again. So this is where structure comes in. But yeah, I don't know that I'll be staring at this. Maybe I will. If I get bored of the 1 minute. But this should be, and there's just a little bit of bid to get. That was definitely a falling knife kind of thing. So things we're going to focus on today. Let's pop up to this chart here. Trying to remember okay, so F9 is a measuring tool. No. F12 is the box. Okay, can draw a triangle anytime I want. Okay, I don't know how to draw text, but we're going to focus on remembering that structure is still important. Very important. Wait for key zones and for absorption. Stacked imbalances. Big trades at those levels. Just some things to remember. So we're at lows right now. I'm at lows. Value areas above us here. I'm worried I'm going to start drawing too much shit. Also, I haven't touched this in a couple seconds, minutes, whatever. This was yesterday's low. I do like that F2, it still does that. No text? overnight high. Overnight low at the moment. Previous day high up here. Previous day high, previous day low, overnight high, overnight low. Okay. Okay, so as far as like actual zones, I mean, obviously this looks to be something. I'm actually going to change this because you know, I just like that better. So that also helps us kind of draw this out a little bit, so it's not just overnight high. There's a lot of volume right here. And we are building right now down here, so this could be, is this a bottom? Oh. It's time to push up. I had a good buy. It's just, you know, holy crap. So like, the question becomes, how the F word do you trade this? Like, how do you trade this? Yeah, we really need the, I mean, this is on 1x, dude. Anyways. Yeah, there's just a lot of consolidation down here right now. A lot of wicks on top, but we're holding this pretty solidly. So I want to wait until something happens here. I think this was that area. It's bounced out of here a couple times. Oh, broke it. But yeah, that's the open. Okay. Still in a downtrend, fellas. Built a little bit below it. So if people are still trying to sell down here and it reverses, they might be suffering a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna read this, dude. I can kind of just do the same thing on 1 minute. Look at the volume right there. Man, look at that. Bit of absorption right at that level. Our overnight low doesn't change. Gonna be a heavy hit if we, you know, feel like we're trying to pick a bottom here, honestly, but let's see what happens here. Can you please move? Hello? Yeah, that's a little scary. Don't really see the bid coming in again. Here's something. Oh, that cluster just popped up right there. Some more absorption.
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Yeah, you gotta wait for that to happen. Okay. Let's just kind of get through the open here, see what happens. Yeah, like this is crazy. Oh, this is the 15-minute. I was waiting for that to close, dude. This could kind of turn into a nice short if we come back up to this level. I don't know about all the way up to the mid, but let's just hang back. Just hanging back. Just hanging back. This is why buying back in isn't always a good idea. Something of note up here. Seems to be bouncing off that imbalance, though. Let's see it break through that level before we get bullish. But look at that, mamma mia. if we short this, maybe best to try not to go target much lower than that. Don't think I won't sell this. Look at all the volume. That seems more just like they lost interest up there. Okay. Oops, I didn't mean to fucking do that. Okay, so we got a couple off there. Do you want to try again here? No, that's a way too big candle. Very consolidating. Right there. This is so messy with all these stacks in here. We're getting some rain again. Just raining around. Just seeing if the bid can hold
Did
this.
you get that thing all down?
Nice. Okay. Just that huge offer coming in twice, and that is like anyone. Why would there be offer down there? Just aggressive buyers. Delta's pushing up. Kind of want to see if I can ride this, maybe. That held once, so let's try to lean on that again. This is kind of looking very good, though. And don't get greedy. It's chewing up the offer, looks like. Okay, that was nice. Kind of just looks like a taper up into there. And while I like the idea of shorting that, because that was the zone right there. this looks like it could instead become another long opportunity. Big bid right there. Yeah, I don't even think I can use this, dude. I'm like, forget it.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
What just happened? I still got 2 on it.
Did you get that thing oiled down? Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay, so we broke through the bottom there. I'm going to refrain from... Okay, so this is still a downtrend, guys. And where's my... Right here. Open. Right there. So it actually bounced off the yeah. That's what I was thinking. So that's a good short. Turns out this has not held. Yeah, I'm going to stop longing the bottoms right after it breaks, you know. Let's wait for actual structural shift. That was not. It was a nice reaction, but that was not structural shift, really. Okay, look at the big bid on Jeff. Kind of losing interest again. I'd rather see it go a little higher. But look at that, just lack of interest right there.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
A lot of bid came in right there. This is clearly some kind of something. Yeah, look at that bid. Still, there was less interest before, but now there's like kind of a taper up there above this level. I haven't seen any substantial buy shifts. Structural breaks. So I'm still, that looks pretty, but still a little bearish here. Actually ended up with a couple of opportunities here to short. If we just range here all day, that would be hey funny. Yeah, that's a nice short. Yeah, that's why I'm not catching the knife anymore. Doesn't matter how good it looks. We are getting cooked on those, and I think I keep doing that because my order flows. Just looking at order flow, I'm like, oh, I see what's going on. But it's just playing the same shit you were playing before when it was working. Man, those both turned out to be really good shorts, and I didn't take them very far. Actually, I should be looking for like somewhere to reoffer. This isn't horrible, but it's not. Maybe with the strength of the trend it could work, but I don't see any clean price movement down here. Big offer right there.
The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is your canvas of self-expression. It heats evenly and is much faster than the oven. Because you shouldn't have to wait to enjoy whatever this is.
Perfect.
A work of Cuisinart.
This looks like a decent place to offer, but this didn't break this low. This could actually be where we start to see buy. See how just push through that, no problem. I don't have a position.
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
I don't understand what that. Why did you buy it? Why did you sell it down there? This is diabolical. I don't know. I don't understand. Let's keep this one tight as it comes down.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Just a lot of stops right there. Okay, we're still bears. you can have that much consolidation and you know, big trades and stuff, and then still you see this kind of shit.
Yeah, but what if I'm like
I don't understand this
Homosexual
at
rigmarole,
all.
man.
Why is it doing that?
for in-person assistance? And if you can't drop by, you can always get help online or through the app. You're my hero. Switch to easy banking with no fee, no minimum, Capital One 360 checking.
Okay. Still rocking. Still rocking shorts all day. Chill, 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 chill. Oh my god, I can't fucking...
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
It's really frustrating. That worked for some
Did you
reason.
get that thing oiled down?
Okay. What the fuck, man?
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
What? Well, this looks like a cell, so let me know what you think. Wait. Holy cow. I just got it to do it the other way. Holy moly. This is what I wanted the whole time. Is it so hard to ask for? Wow, and of course that gets gooned out. Okay.
Homosexual rigmarole, man. Homosexual rigmarole, man. Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Yeah, I really hate that.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
30. Oh, no way. We're that negative? I wonder if that has anything to do with me doing this too much.
Homosexual rigmarole, man.
Change my P&L, I dare you. Took me down 1 point. Okay. Good to know. So this offer is not really holding. Looks like. Wait for that offer to come in and the taper. It's just a whole lot of bullshit over here. I don't know. Okay, here's bid. I don't see anything in this area necessarily, except for that. So let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit. Is that just like a taper? Some absorb. I kind of wish we had the 5 minute up here. If you buy into it, you gotta wait for this candle to close. If you bought in too early to that, you just get liquidated and then it runs away without you, of course. Oh, this was the one I was looking for, huh? Oh, you gonna work now? Okay, buddy. The zone itself, I'm not sure how I feel about it. A touch of bid.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
At this point, you're just fading. I gotta piss. Okay. Okay. So where is it really rebidding out of? What kind of zones? This absorption area. It absorbed and then you got the stacked imbalance. That's where it popped out. This, I don't know why. This, I don't know why. On the other side, it was like big trades, absorption. What's going on here? Maybe? What do you think? Absorption down here. It's like this doesn't look like it's refreshing. Like I can't tell what's going on right now. Just gonna have to watch this paint in here. So the real bid's coming in.
Did you get that thing oiled down? Did you get that thing oiled down?
I think this thing is still pretty bullish. And you know, it's like, why did it bounce here? I did draw it in kind of a weird spot, but that's like there was absorption and big trade down here, so maybe that's more of like what to actually pay attention to. I don't know what I was thinking. Eventually pushed it up.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Have faith. Now, yeah, let's see. Looks like it's gonna break through this. Based on my autism. Hmm? That was a good trade. You just gotta wait for something like that, man. Big trades, absorption, big trade. And then I guess it's a bonus to see the stacked imbalance after the trade, but you know, absorption, big trade, that one did not work out. Trend was changing. Absorption, big trade, that didn't work out, but didn't go very far. That was also a counter trend. Absorption, big trade, this one worked out nicely. You know? Right there. We're not even at, what was that? overnight low. But we're shooting for it. Might with this trend, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit that at some point. And 216. I think I'm looking for too many opportunities. Broke right through that. Holy moly. Oh, we're at or mid right now. Interesting. What this 5-minute candle close also? Oh, that's 15. Scratch that. But a 5-minute candle close in here breaking out probably would have been good to go. Let's check that.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Didn't even get to move it yet, but okay. That was again because of this absorption in trades. These big sells could still be in the game. Haven't seen any big movements either way. It's kind of crazy that it's just to a T with that stuff, the 5-minute OR. Oof. I wasn't very bullish of you. for now, but shit looks like it's just gonna keep singing. Okay, that's that. Very nice. Let's just see what this looks like. I actually want to do this. Yeah, so finding the actual zones is still confounding me a bit. This candle close would have worked for you. Came back up, retested it. Could have taken this one. Could have taken this one. You were sweating for sure for a little bit. Then we did this, and then you could have taken this candle close or this one. And I wonder what happens next. But so that's 25 180. I don't think I'm going to see it. Let's just look over here. $25 180. We closed around here. Kept going up into this pocket. So cool. Could still macro downtrend, so let's see what happens. But let's save this. All right, boys.